Just acquired this absolutely superb, sporty looking Mercedes E-Class diesel AMG Sport, full AMG Sport body styling kit, unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels, front park distance control. It's the facelift model. Got some new centre caps to come in to go with the newly freshly unmarked alloy wheels, rear park distance control, AMG rear diffuser with the twin exhausts, boot area is in lovely condition with the AMG mats. It's got the rear privacy glass, electric windows, electric mirrors, seats full leather, auto headlights. It's done 61,314 miles. It's just going to be serviced MOT. It's got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver. It's got Bluetooth connectivity for phone and audio. Full media pack, air conditioning blowing lovely and cold as I've just witnessed as I've driven it down, aux and a USB, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox if you prefer that way of driving it. Lovely condition. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please just call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.